Kavikula Guruhu Mahakavi Kalidasaha, the great Indian poet. An introduction.
अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजानन महर्निशं अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। अपारकरुणासिन्धुं ज्ञानदं शान्तरूपिणं श्रीचन्द्रशेखरगुरुं प्रणमामि मुदान्वहम्। Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste dear viewers. On behalf of all the members of Yes to Sanskrit YouTube channel, we wish you a happy Mahakavi Kalidasa Jayanti. We hope this video will be helpful for the students who are in the beginner level in the study of Sanskrit literature. Every year in the Shukla Paksha Prathama of Ashadha Masa, we celebrate the Jayanti of Mahakavi Kalidasa. We all know that Mahakavi Kalidasa is considered as the world-renowned Indian poet. He is also famously known as the Indian Shakespeare. But for the kind of literary work he has done and the immense knowledge that he possesses in almost every Shastram, it will not be an exaggeration if we describe Shakespeare as Western Kalidasa. Mahakavi Kalidasa is also attributed with few other names like Kavikula Guruhu and Kavi Chakravarti. It is believed that Kalidasa lived somewhere between 4th and 5th century during the reign of Gupta dynasty. Since Kalidasa has not recorded any details about himself in any of his poems, it is very difficult to arrive the exact year in which he was born. Still, this topic is very much debatable among all Sanskrit scholars. But we have few stories where Mahakavi Kalidasa is associated with King Vikramaditya. It is also believed that he was one among the 9 gems who were celebrated in the court of King Vikramaditya. To prove this, we have a famous shloka which says, धन्वन्तरिक्षपणकामरसिंह शङ्कु वेतालभट्टघटकर्परकालिदासाः ख्यातो वराहमिहिरो नृपतेः सभायां रत्नानि वैवररुचिर्नवविक्रमस्य। Ratnani Navavikramasya. In King Vikrama's court, there were 9 Ratnas, namely Dhanvantari, Kshapanaka, Amarasimha, Shanku, Vetala Bhatta, Ghatakarpara, Kalidasa, Varahamihira and Vararuchi. Such was the greatness of Mahakavi Kalidasa. There is also another shloka which describes the greatness of Kalidasa. Pura kavinam ganana prasange kanishthikadishthita kalidasaha adyapitatulya kavera bhavat anamika sarthavati babhuva. Here the name Anamika, meaning unnamed, is being given to the ring finger, and it is justified why the ring finger is being named Anamika. In ancient times, when the poets were being counted, Kalidasa occupied the last finger, that is the little finger. After counting Kalidasa's name, there was no second poet who could match the stature of Kalidasa. Therefore, the next ring finger was unoccupied and unnamed. Therefore, the ring finger is named as Anamika. There is another title attributed to Kalidasa which is very famous, that is Upama Kalidasasya, which means Kalidasa owned the usage of similes. This can be known from the shloka Upama Kalidasasya Bharaverartha Gauravam Dandinaf Padalalityam माघे सन्ति त्रयो गुणाः. The remaining part of the shloka deals with Bharavi, Dandi and Magha. Here, Upama Kalidasasya refers to Kalidasa, where he literally owned the usage of Upama, that is, similes. Then, there are various other shlokas to describe the greatness in Kalidasa's literary works. One of those shlokas is Kavyeshu natakam ramyam tatra ramya shakuntala tatrapi cha chaturthonkaha tatra shloka chatushtayam. This shloka says that among all the kavyas, that is the literary works, the drama genre, that is the drama type of literary work, is the most beautiful. And among the dramas, the Shakuntala, that is the Mahakavi Kalidasa's Abhignana Shakuntalam, is even more beautiful. And in that Abhignana Shakuntalam, the fourth act, that is the Chaturthonkaha, is even more beautiful, and the best of the best lies in the 4 shlokas that are present in that particular fourth scene or act. From this shloka, we can understand how poets have described and recognized the literary beauty of Mahakavi Kalidasa. This shloka says that among all the kavyas, that is the literary works, now let us see the number of literary works that Kalidasa has done. First, let us see the dramas. Kalidasa has written 3 dramas, and they are namely Malavikagni Mitram, Abhignana Shakuntalam and Vikramorvashiyam. Secondly, he has penned 2 epic poems, and among the Pancha Mahakavyas, Kalidasa owns 2 of them. They are namely Raghuvamsham and Kumarasambhavam. Apart from these 2 epic poems, Kalidasa has also written 2 minor poems which are called as Khanda Kavyas. They are namely Ritusamharam and Meghadutam. By writing Meghadutam, Kalidasa has created his own genre of poetry, which is famously known as Sandesha Kavyam. Now, these are all the literary works of Kalidasa, and now to conclude, let me say a few sayings from Sanskrit which is very famous, that is Bharata Mata Bahuratna Prasavi or Bharatam Swarna Bhumihi. These are all the famous sayings that we have on the greatness of our country, and it is no doubt that Kalidasa, who is one among those Ratna that our motherland has ever produced. So, it is our duty to protect these gems by reading their text and appreciating their literary beauty. Thank you very much, viewers. Let us see in the next video. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayaah, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om